Kare Bisal बढ़िया बढ़िया
আগৰ জাম কিয় লৈছা বল বল নহলে কিয় জাম ল আই আই আই
জামাৰ বঢ়িয়া হৈছে দে খালি লোক
অলপ অলপ কিবা কৰ ওই ভগাই দিবি এই
গুড জামাৰ সুতো
আই আই বাপৰে
Asu tu kur mari jana
জামাৰ 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 এই বিশ বিশ বাস বঢ়িয়া বঢ়িয়া জামাৰ বলৰ ওপৰত মাৰ মাৰ
Kare Bisal अच्छा से
জামাৰ গুড আইজা 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 বঢ়িয়া আইজা বঢ়িয়া বঢ়িয়া আহি পাতে জাপ মাৰ আইজা
এনেকে দিলে এখন ডাঙৰ
গুড গুড আইয়া
ওই
এই বেছি আগত জাপ মাৰছে বলটি চাই ল সুতো সুতো বাহিৰত
আই 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 গুড আই ওই
জাপ মাৰি থাকা আইজা হৈছে আইজা
Its football coaching is going on in Bongaigaon district under the supervision of district sports officer Bongaigaon. The venue is this one is Barsangao Stadium, Bongaigaon. Here you can see friends how many players are there. More than 60 players are taking regular coaching here, and we have appointed here 2 physical instructor as a football coach. They are coaching there. One of them, that is Mr. Joy Prakash Bosumatari, who is in tracksuit. He is an NIS coach in football. So I hope from this coaching camp only we may get player like Messi and Maradona. We just need some sacrifice. Sacrifice is very much needed. Dedication is needed to get talents, and the proper planning also required to get the best performance of a sports. In sports, we need 42 days continuous coachings, but I think we are somewhere wrong in planning. It has to be planned properly to get the best performance. We need enough football also, but not getting. Still, I can manage 4 football here. We have 60 players and 4 football. To coach a player, at least 1 ball is required for each player, but still it is not possible for us. So with 4 balls we are just coaching them. Here you can see the students are from 10 years and below 10 years also. 2, 3, 4 are there, and up to 18 years, below 18 years. Everyday coaching is going on from 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. As you can see that Bongaigaon is the football hub. There are so many talents in football in Bongaigaon district. Now heading coaching is going on. The technique of heading is being coaching by our coaches. You can see the players are doing practicing heading practice they are doing. You can see the back heel. But outside of that, some senior most players of this locality, they are practicing the volleyball here. You can see friends, this is Barsangao Silara Stadium, Barsangao, Bongaigaon. It's a very nice location. You can see there's opposite of the stadium, you can see that hill. Here we have a 30 bighas of land here, more than 30 bighas I think so. 400 meter track is here, but track is a grass track. It is not a synthetic track. We have sent several time proposals to make it this a synthetic track, but no action. And we hope in future we will get a synthetic track in this field, in this stadium. One gallery is here. This is the pavilion where player is to stay, and one more gallery is this side. You can see, friends. One more gallery is that side, slightly away from there. One new volleyball court is construction is going on. You can see, friends. That side, the workers are doing. That new construction of volleyball court is going on. Our camp is also going on in the stadium. It is Prettarpan. A 30 days youth development camp is going on, which is organized by the district administration Bongaigaon in association with Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan Bongaigaon, district sports officer Bongaigaon, district child protection officer Bongaigaon, and the health department of Bongaigaon jointly organizing a youth development camp to bring the youth from negative to positive. All those youths have been bought. 22 youth is being selected from the district. They used to have some elite product and mobile mania. So this type of students, we are just bringing them to give them a good habit. Here you can see they used to get up early in the morning at 5 o'clock. In the morning they used to have a jogging, running, then yoga for 1 hour, and then the art and craft classes is going on, and then the music and dance and trekking. After trekking we have some martial art also program, march past, NCC drill is being taught. I hope this type of program is very much important for each and every youth, not only in our district. It is required each and every part of our country to make them, to bring the youth from negative to positive. Our Honorable Deputy Commissioner Bongaigaon has taken a very nice step, very constructive step. We need some dedication. These are sick and injured. These are sick and injured group. These are our Prettarpan boys. They are sick and injured group. They are just making a badminton court here. We are just making a badminton court here. Our instructor is here, physical instructor, Mr. Provin Sharma. He used to stay in the camp at night also. Morning he used to teach physical exercises to the students, that campers. That side one yoga instructor, he is sitting there, and two physical instructor is coaching football. The coach is demonstrating the heading technique. ইমান জোৰছে দৌৰিব নালাগে।